In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for an individual taxpayer identification number from the IRS or establish a US LLC to generate an EIN and then use that information in your Shopify payments setup. If you're trying to complete your Shopify payments configuration without using a social security number, the key idea is simple. Instead of setting up the account as an individual, you'll use a registered legal business type and enter a valid tax identification number, such as an EIN or an ITN. To begin, open Chrome and go to your Shopify payments configuration panel. It's best to do this on a desktop browser so you can clearly review each field and avoid mistakes during setup. Once you're in the configuration area, take a moment to confirm that you're editing the correct store and payment profile before entering any tax information. Next, choose a registered legal business type, such as an LLC or a corporation, rather than selecting individual. This part matters because the platform may require a business entity structure in order to accept a business tax ID instead of a personal social security number. Make sure the business type you select matches your actual legal setup and tax records. Consistency is important here because mismatched details can cause verification delays or requests for additional documentation. Before moving forward, you'll need the correct tax ID. If you have an ITN from the IRS, you can use that where applicable. If you've established a US LLC, you may have an EIN issued for that business. The purpose of either number in this process is to verify tax identity without relying on an SSN. Be sure you're using your own valid and active identification number and enter it exactly as it appears in your official records. Then, in the tax ID field, input your unique EIN or ITN to complete the setup process without an SSN. Type carefully, double-check the digits, and review the rest of the business information before saving. Even a small typo in the tax ID, legal entity name, or business type can trigger errors or slow down account approval. Once everything is entered, save the configuration and review the page for any alerts, verification prompts, or missing fields. If the system asks for supporting documents,